Hello friends, today I am going to start a chapter in paper number 6. The name of the chapter is Wave Motion and Ultrasonic Waves. In this lecture, I am going to explain what are ultrasonic waves and how ultrasonic waves can be produced by piezoelectric generator. The outline of my lecture is: what are ultrasonic waves? What is piezoelectric effect? Production of ultrasonics by piezoelectric generator and properties of ultrasonic waves. All of you know about the sound. Sound is due to vibration of one or other kind of particles. Sound energy travels in the form of a longitudinal waves. Sound has a wide range of frequency, but the human ear can hear only a limited range between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. This is called human audible range. The sound waves having frequencies above this audible range, that is above 20 kHz, are known as ultrasonic waves. Now, how these ultrasonic waves can be produced? The ultrasonic waves can produce by using piezoelectric generator. And the function of piezoelectric generator is based on piezoelectric effect. Now, what is piezoelectric effect? If we have a certain crystal like a quartz or tourmaline, and this crystal is cut to a suitable size, consider the two axes of the crystal. One is mechanical axis and another is electrical axis. When the crystal is stretched or compressed along the mechanical axis, the electrical potential difference is created perpendicular to the mechanical axis, that is along electrical axis. The converse of this effect is also true. When potential difference is applied along the electrical axis, the crystal is start to vibrate along the mechanical axis. This is called a piezoelectric effect. Based on this principle, the piezoelectric oscillator or piezoelectric generator works. This is the circuit diagram of piezoelectric oscillator. The diagram consists of a high tension battery, transistor, inductances L1, L2 and L3, capacitor C1, two metallic plates A and B, and between these two metallic plates we have a quartz crystal. Now the inductance L1 and capacitor C1 act as a tank circuit. It is base tuned tank circuit. This tank circuit produces the oscillations, and the output oscillations of inductance L2 is coupled with inductance L3. The two terminals of inductance L3 is connected to two plates A and B. A suitably cut quartz crystal is kept between the two plates A and B. When the frequency of oscillations from the circuit matches with the natural frequency of the quartz crystal, resonance occurs and waves are produced. These waves are called ultrasonic waves. Therefore, ultrasonic waves can be produced by using this piezoelectric generator. Now, what are properties of ultrasonic waves? The first property is frequencies of ultrasonic waves are high. Hence, they are highly energetic. Hence, they can be transmitted over long distances without appreciable loss of energy. Second property, they have very small wavelengths. hence suffer negligible diffraction. Therefore, they can be reflected from very tiny objects. Third property, when ultrasonic waves are propagated in a liquid bath, stationary wave pattern is formed due to interference between the incident waves and those reflected from the wall at the other end. The density of the liquid at the nodal points increases, while at the antinodal points it decreases. Thus, a plane diffraction grating is formed in the liquid. When ultrasonic waves are passed into liquids, they produce disruptive effect by causing bubble formation. These are some properties of ultrasonic waves. Due to these properties, the ultrasonic waves are used in many applications. The applications of ultrasonic waves we will study in the next lecture. Thank you.